Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Depending on what time you're watching this Chris again. Watch Lounge coming to you with another video review. Today's video review is, as promised, this is the Borealis Neptuno, guys. This is a pretty cool watch. I've had it for about a couple weeks now. I got it off of Random Rob's Discord group, of course. I'm not going to do a wristwatch check because, as you saw, I am indeed wearing the Breitling that you see in the title. Of course, you'll see it in the title. I am indeed wearing that Breitling, so it's going to be kind of an unboxing first impressions type deal on the Breitling Superocean Heritage at the end of the video. So stick around in the video if you want, or if you want to go ahead and move forward in the video, fast forward it. That's not by me too. But this is I got a Breitling in from Rich over at Salzman's. He was kind enough to send in the Superocean here, not the Heritage, just the regular Superocean. Pretty killer piece. Like I said, I'm wearing said watch, so I'm not going to do real watch check. You'll see it here in the end of the video. And if you're curious about this shirt, by the way, I just got this shirt from Just the Watch Dave. If you want to go over to his channel, this is the plug for him. Now, he did not send this to me for free or anything. I bought it with my own money. These Casio shirts are pretty cool. He's got all kind of watch themed shirts, kind of affordable watches, and I kind of dig the F91 shirt. So if you're interested in that, go over check out his channel. But back onto the watch, guys. This Borealis has been a brand that's been around for a little while now. They're kind of one of the I call them one of the OG micro brands. I guess you can say. Excuse me. But I would consider them one of the OG micro brands. They've been around the game for a while now. I do believe this particular model that was sent in is a prototype model, but he usually has his pretty spot on point on because he's been around the game for a while. I was about 10 years or so, maybe even 15. He's been around somewhere, something like that. And I've spoken to Carlos a couple times. Really nice guy. You can tell he's really passionate about his product and passionate about the hobby. Now, this Borealis is packed full of specs for what you get for the... It is on pre-order. Now, this particular version, I think, sadly is sold out, but he may make another run on them. This is the Lume dial version, and I do believe they're right around $300. What you do is you put a half of that down, and then you pay the other half when it ships. Some people like it, some people don't like it like that. But then again, that's neither here nor there. I've never had any or seen anybody have any problems getting their Borealis in on time or upon promised delivery time. Like I said, he's been around the game for a while. Great customer service. He knows what he's doing when it comes to making watches, guys. But anyways, guys, let's go to the desktop and I will show you the sub watch. Now, here is the said watching question, guys. Like I said, overall, pretty killer dial. I do dig the combo. It's got white, it's got that black ceramic bezel, 120 click unidirectional bezel, and the bezel action is pretty smooth, solid, as you can hear. I don't know if you can hear that in the video. Clicking action is pretty good on it, guys. And it lines up really well. It has sapphire crystal, guys. It is a 40mm watch. It is 20mm lugs with the beads of rice style bracelet. This bracelet is actually pretty comfortable. The accent on the clasp is really well, guys. Again, this is just a prototype. Borealis stamped on the logo there. Just a prototype here, guys, I do believe. And there you can see the kind of mermaid on the case back. Again, this is called the Neptuno. It is a 300-meter water resistance, so plenty of water resistance, guys, for a dive watch. It is a bit of a chunky monkey, though, at 14.4 millimeters. It has the polished beveled edges here on the bezel. But again, that I feel like it wears really well, guys. I think it's overall really great package. That's about my only concern on this watch that might throw some people off is the case size. It's a little chunky monkey kind of, as I like to say. But other than that, this wears really well for its size, guys. Like I said, that 40mm size will fit most wrists. And it does come with a Seiko NH35 movement, which for the $300 or so price range, I feel like is a lot of bang for buck. I will cut off the lights and show you the Lume dial here in a second. But let me show you what I'll take off this Breitling and I'll show you what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist, guys. It is definitely a killer piece, like I said, for the price. Screw down crown, by the way. Here at the 4 o'clock. Here's what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist, guys. And I will cut off the lights and show you guys the Lume. Now again, if you want to stick around, I'm going to do the Breitling Superocean unboxing here shortly, first impressions. I appreciate you guys for sticking around this long. And if you haven't, like, subscribe, do all that good YouTube stuff. It helps the algorithm out, helps push my videos out. I appreciate it, guys. And again, like I said, I'll have that Breitling unboxing here shortly. But let me show you guys the Lume here. And here is a Lume shot, guys. I didn't even have to use my light on it at all. So it's got really decent lume. And again, I'm pretty sure this is a prototype, so the actual production models may have a lot more lume on them. But overall, for a lume dial, this thing is really legible at night, guys. If you guys are lume junkies, of course, you see the date window at this 6 o'clock, by the way. But if you guys are lume junkies, I know a lot of you guys like that. Appreciate you guys checking this review out. Now, on to the Breitling unboxing. Now, I'm trying to get this in frame here. Again, like I said, I am wearing the set watch. The usual Breitling fanfare here. And it comes with the Breitling travel roll. It's a pretty cool travel roll. Decided to travel with it. Nothing too crazy here. Leather pouch. Nice little. Now again, this did come in from Rich over at Salzman's. Thanks again, Rich. I've worked with him on plenty of videos, and he's been kind enough to send Oris, their tag dealer, Breitling dealer, of course, Luminox. Here is the Breitling Superocean on rubber. And this rubber strap is actually really comfortable. First impressions, guys. The clasp actually is really good. Breitling does bracelets really well. And there you can see the 4,000 retail, which you may be able to get a pretty decent deal on it if you speak to Rich. Tell him I sent you. My viewers may be able to get a decent discount. But overall, first impressions, I could definitely, and I think I might end up changing my mind on the Heritage and pulling the trigger on one of these, just because I think this fits my style more. And I could definitely see myself owning an orange dial version, guys. First impressions. I've tried on the orange dial version in person at ADs, and I do really dig them. So I may end up buying one of these off of Rich at some point, for sure. Definitely, like I said, the orange dial with the orange rubber. They do have a style for everybody out there. I do believe they have a black dial. I think they also have a green dial. They have a white dial. All kind of different colors, so you can pick and choose and find which one you like. For entry-level luxury watch, this is definitely a really killer watch, guys. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys for sticking around this long towards the end of the unboxing. If you guys have watched this long, again, like I said, do all that YouTube stuff for me, please. Like, subscribe, share the video, whatever group you're in. Let's help grow the channel, guys. And you might think, why is there a guy out there wearing a Casio F91 t-shirt, unboxing Breitlings, and doing Borealis reviews? Well, that's basically because my taste is eclectic, guys, as some viewers have mentioned. I like all kind of watches. I don't have a hate towards any level or tier. I love all watches, so there's no hate here, guys. Now, if I don't like a watch that well, I won't mention it in the comments, and I like to review what I like. So I'm not going to review something and take something for free or whatever else and, you know, send you guys down the wrong path. I definitely take stuff I like to review. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.